The first business that my husband and I started after we met, we started something called the First Lady Hat Collection. And Nordstrom's caught wind of it there in Beechwood, Ohio, and allowed us to become the first African American milliners to ever be held in Nordstrom. So that was a history-making thing. The next thing I started was Simply Fabulous Lace Wigs. And the reason why I did that was because as a former cosmetologist by trade, one of the lessons that I had learned was there was a need for women to still keep their femininity and still feel pretty. And when you go through either alopecia, not as a result of cancer, or you go through chemo, you have a tendency of losing sometimes that pretty nature. So I ended up going to cosmetology schools and teaching the students because they don't learn that particular specialty for hair. I sold those companies, and then it was time for us to start our church. When I became consecrated as a bishop, the first thing that happened, I want to say maybe 2 weeks later, right after that, and got into a car accident and got pushed into a brick wall coming down Jimmy Carter into Friends Park, and they had to pull me out of the car. And when I got pulled out of the car, they ended up doing some kind of treatment to me. And in that treatment, I ended up in the doctor's office and I had a stroke. That was the first of 3 micro strokes. I want to say about 6 months after that, they looked at some scans to make sure I was okay, but it wasn't okay. They found spots all over my brain. And I didn't really realize what was going on until they told me that I had to go get my blood tested at the oncology department. I'm thinking this is not the right department, but I knew what that meant. And with my faith in gear, tears in one hand, and God, this is your opportunity to perform a miracle in the other one. I watched and witnessed God do some amazing changes in me. Being the first female bishop in my organization, I decided that I was just going to make sure that I set a precedence for every woman who wanted to be in the cleric's office. I lead my life through faith, and so that has led me to so many other things, including business with a company that I started called Madam CEO, which is an entrepreneurial mentorship company that helps women define who they are and their role in today's business world.